Today I'm going to show you the basics of using the ML-L3 Nikon remote control. Actually, I'll be showing you pretty much everything you can do with it. Although this remote is not OEM, it works exactly like the original. I tried it today and at 25 feet and it worked flawlessly, so the range is also very good. This remote is actually very simple to use. All you have to do is turn your Nikon camera on, and first thing you have to do is change your shooting mode to the remote. See over here, it's remote, but it's with the timer. I'm gonna be using just the remote, no timer. Just like that. Then all you have to do is take your remote, point it at your camera's infrared sensor, which on my D80 is right over here, and start snapping pictures, just like that. Another nice feature of the camera and the remote is that it can actually autofocus. To do this, your autofocus should be down to AFA, so no continuous focus, just like that. And I'm gonna manually put the camera out of focus over here so you can see how it works. Just a second. There we go. So as you can see through the viewfinder, it's very out of focus. To get it to focus, all you have to do is again point your remote at the camera. It'll focus and take a picture. And it's gonna do this if I put my hand over here and I focus, it's gonna focus on my hand. And that happens no matter how many pictures you want to take. If you don't want it to autofocus, one thing you could do is press your autofocus button over here, halfway, or you could, for some of you, you might be using this button here to autofocus. You just press that once. If you press these two buttons before first using the remote, it will not autofocus by pressing the button. It will be locked on this focus over here that you manually focus right before using the remote. So one more feature that I really like is using the remote in bulb mode. I like taking pictures of stars and taking night shots, and I don't like having movement while I'm taking those kind of shots. I'm just going to put it back to continuous over here. There we go. So to get bulb mode to work, all you have to do is, again, press your button. One click is going to open the shutter. It's going to expose the sensor, and I think you can have it go up to like half an hour or something like that. After the time that you need it to be there, you need it to be open has passed, all you have to do is press the button again and the shutter will be closed. Very useful feature. And that's about it for this Nikon ML-L3.